2023 Maserati MC20. With a carbon fiber structure, a hellacious 621 horsepower twin super V6, and neck-tweaking cornering power, the 2023 Maserati MC20 is an outlandish road vehicle that smacks you in the face with a race vehicle driving experience. Its smooth Italian-esque supercar shape and butterfly-style entryways have passers-by gazing at it very much as they do at Ferraris and Lamborghinis. The new Cielo spyder considers outdoors cruising, and being seen, at the dash of a button. In the same way as other a supercar, however, the MC20 accompanies its own particular arrangement of disadvantages. While its suspension is agreeable enough for a periodic excursion, the vehicle's freight limit is little. You'll require your clerical specialist to follow you with your gear. What's happening for 2023? For the MC20's second model year, the Cielo spyder joins the arrangement. It includes a retractable glass rooftop that stashes electrically in only 12 seconds. At the point when the top is set up, its electrochromic glass board can be changed from clear to murky should the sun be sparkling excessively brilliantly. Motor, transmission, and execution. The MC20 Roadster and Cielo are both fueled by a twin turbocharged V6 motor that siphons out 621 horsepower. Called a Tuno, the motor uses a novel twin-burning framework acquired from Equation 1 race vehicles and is matched with an 8-speed programmed transmission. Its 207.6 pull-per-litre makes it more power-thick than any motor from other top-of-the-line supercar producers like Lamborghini, Ferrari, McLaren, or Porsche. In our testing, the MC20 required simply 3.2 seconds to arrive at 60 miles per hour and shot through the quarter mile in 11.0 seconds at 131 miles per hour.